Hello jelly babes, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be reviewing a new lamp that BeautyBigBang have not long brought out. It's a 2-in-1 LED and UV lamp. It's 36 watts. It's got 18 LED light bulbs. So this is how it came inside of the box. So let me just get that out. And there is also a user manual as well, which, you know, is obviously fairly self-explanatory. And I'm going to take you through the steps anyway. So this is how it looks. I do like the sort of design of it. There's the 18 LED bulbs that you can see there, sort of nicely placed around. And this, it does look like there is a sensor on it. So when you put your hand in, the lights will automatically come on and off, which I always think is handy. What I really want to mention as well is that if you are living in the UK, obviously this isn't been built in the UK, you can ask for a UK plug adapter to come with it. So you haven't got like, you know, a European plug and then have to put it into an adapter. So I thought that was really good of them to be able to provide that. So when you plug it in, you can see here it's got a nice digital display. Obviously, there is only 2 timer settings with this with this lamp. So it's basic compared to others. So I'll just quickly show you now that this comes on and off when you put your hand in and out of the lamp. So it does have a light sensor. And I'll also be swatching 12 of their gel polishes as well, which have also been very kindly sent to me for review. If you want to get your hands on this lamp and these 12 polishes, then make sure you watch right to the end of the video for more details on that. So I love the chrome packaging that this comes in, and it does have the sort of number of the polish on the bottom of it as well, which is handy. There are 36 polishes available in this collection. Obviously, I'm going to be showing you 12 today. And obviously, I'm trying to show you the variety of that polish as well. So I have picked a black polish. We all want to know how well the black and the white polishes are in these gel collections. So obviously, this is going over a white false nail. And you can see it applies nicely. There are no like harsh smells, or, you know, it doesn't smell really horrendous, you know, when you open the bottle, which I know you guys want to know as well. If I don't mention any information that you're going to want to know, then just ask me in the comments box below and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. So I'm just going to put this in the timer now for 60 seconds. You can see that it counts down, and it does, the lights automatically go off once it has, you know, been on for the, you know, whatever time setting that you've selected. So I'm going to go in with the second coat now. And I do believe that this is only going to need 2 coats to be opaque, which is, you know, really good with a black polish, especially with it going over a white base as well. And then I'm going to be applying the top coat, and then I'll show you the end look. So far I'm impressed, and I'm only 1 polish down. So this is it after it has been cured. So you can see that the lamp is working well. It's cured it all properly in that time. So this is their white. So I like the consistency of the polish. It's not too thick, but it's not too watery. So therefore it does apply nicely as well. So I have changed this to a natural tip, just so obviously you get more of an idea on how many coats it's going to take to be opaque. So this is it after its first coat. So I'm going to pop it back in the lamp now. One thing I do want to bring to your attention, if you put your hand in here like I'm doing to put the pop stick in and you take it out, as you can see here, it pauses the timer and the lights go off. This caught me out, I'm going to be honest. I was doing it and obviously I'm busy, I'm getting the next polish ready. So I just saw that the lights had gone off and thought that it had cured, and it was coming out and all the polishes were all wrinkled and it wasn't drying it properly, and I was like, what is going on? And obviously this was happening where I put the timer on, took my hand out and hadn't noticed that it just paused. So that's something to bear in mind. I think obviously if you're doing your own nails, you're less likely to take your hand back out once you've put it in, but obviously if you're doing swatches like I'm doing now, you are in and out of the lamp, so just bear that in mind. So this is the white polish. So obviously this one I do feel like it needed that 3 coats just to be fully opaque. So this is the next polish, and for the rest of these polishes I have already done them off camera, just so this isn't a really unnecessary long video. So you can see there that slight wrinkling on the bottom, that was obviously down to me not making sure that it hadn't cured properly. I did kind of get more on the ball with it after then. So this is a gorgeous yellow. It's like a bright canary bird yellow, and all of these, the rest of these polishes were 2 coats to be opaque as well. So next up is number 9. So this is obviously an orange shade. I wasn't sure whether I was going to like this when I saw it in the bottle, but once I swatched it, I did actually like it. Some colours are funny, isn't it? You can get it in a certain shade and it just, ugh. Whereas that's a nice orange shade, in my personal opinion. So the next one to show you is this absolutely gorgeous bright pink. I love my bright colours, as you know. It's what I go to. I have got some darker ones to show you as well. So this is 13. So these ones that I've been showing you are probably like your spring and summer colours. This one is a beautiful shade of blue. So I do like the colour choice, and you know that some of it's really vibrant as well. So this is 17. So this is a darker one. So this is like obviously a really dark navy blue. The reason why, in case you're wondering, that the pop sticks keep changing sizes, because I'm going to sort of put these on my own nails. So obviously I've only got 10 fingers, so I'll show you 2 shots of the thumbs. So I've done 2 thumbnails with it. That's why some are bigger than others. I have got another 6 polishes as well that I'll be reviewing in another video, so you will get to see more of the selection that they provide. So this is a gorgeous sort of like peachy colour. The links for these products as well are provided in the description box, as they always are, and if you type in, I think it's gel 10 at checkout, you'll get a 10% discount code as well. So this is like a dark red colour, which is also really nice. I do like the selection that they have in these 36 gel polishes as well. You've kind of got like different shades of like the same colour. And this one is a gorgeous grey colour as well. So that's it. So I think that is all of them. So just bear with me. I've gone and placed them on my nails now. So I did mention at the start of the video, if you want to get your hands on this lamp, and I think it's the 12, you might be able to choose the 12 polishes of your own choice, or it may be the 12 polishes that I've shown you in this video. I'm not 100% sure, but if you want to get your hands on this, then Beauty Big Bang are offering to give this away on my channel, which is really kind of them. So thank you so much, Beauty Big Bang. And I will be putting the rules on screen now. So you need to be subscribed to both mine and Beauty Big Bang's YouTube channel. Obviously the subscription needs to be public. You could give this video a thumbs up and write "I would like to win" and give me the reason why in the comments box below. And here's some other information. And yes, the giveaway is international, but I'll be putting all the details in the description box below on how you can enter properly. So thank you so much for watching. The giveaway is live now, by the way, so you can enter straight away. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you've enjoyed it and it's been helpful to you. So please subscribe if you've not done so, and I'll see you in the next one.